Elam's basketball camp must be over by 1:30 p.m. She needs 45 minutes for the All-Star game, 30 minutes for the awards presentation, 1 hour 15 minutes for the final league game, and 20 minutes for stretching and warm-up. At what time should the day begin? We know what time the basketball camp should end. You know what time it takes for each activity, and we need to determine the time the day's activity should begin. Let's work backwards. Beginning at 1:30, which is actually where the day will end. If we go back 20 minutes, for stretching and warm-up, we are now at 1:10 p.m. If we go back 1 hour and 15 minutes for the final league games, we are at 11:55 a.m. 30 minutes for the awards presentation. A half an hour before 11:55 a.m. would be 11:25 a.m. And then last but not least, we have 45 minutes for the All-Star game.
Oh my gosh.
Working backwards from 11:25 a.m., 45 minutes takes us to 10:40 a.m. The camp should start at 10:40 a.m. This is Mrs. The data shows the attendance at a movie theater during different weekends. Organize the data using an interval size of 50. What is the most common interval of attendance? We can see from our table we have quite a range of values to represent the attendance. The lowest value is 44, and the highest value is 283. If we organize a table using an interval size of 50, we'll begin with 0 to 50, and then interval sizes of 50 all the way up to include 283, which means our last interval will be from 251 to 300 people attending. So let's make a tally chart. Since I've already highlighted the 44 and the 283, we better tally those before we forget. 283 down here. And then we'll just organize as we go. 155, 238, 258, 90, 266, 145, 200, 140, 260, 161, 55, 278, 181, 210, 190, 168, 125, 183, 177, 199, 114, 70, 62, and we've already taken care of the 283. Now that we've made our tallies, let's create a frequency table. There is one tally for attendance from 0 to 50. There are 4 tallies from 51 to 100. Also 4 tallies from 101 to 150. 9 tallies from 151 to 200. 2 tallies from 201 to 250. And 5 tallies for 251 to 300. The most common interval would be from 151 to 200. Concerts. 300 tickets were sold to a local rock festival. If you bought tickets a year in advance, they were $60. If you bought them any time after that, tickets were $80. The total revenue for ticket sales was $20,000. How many of each type of ticket were sold? Let's use a systematic guess and check to find the correct number of each type of ticket sold. There were 2 types of tickets sold. Advanced and we use current sales. And that would be less than 1 year. The cost for every ticket purchased in advance was $60, and the cost for every ticket purchased within a year of the concert was $80. If $20,000 was the total revenue, we want to take a good guess of how many tickets were sold. So let's try 150 of each ticket. And we'll add the 2 together. 150 times 60 plus 150 times 80 is 21,000. They only have $20,000 in revenue, so this guess was too high. Ticket prices haven't changed, but our guess will. $60 for an advance, or $80 if you waited. This time, let's guess 250 for advance, and 300 total, which means there were 50 left. I thought it was in 1 year. 250 times 60 plus 50 times 80 gives us 19,000. The total revenue was 20,000, which means this guess was too low. Now, if we had 21,000 was too high, with 150 of each, but 19,000 was too low, with 250 in advance and 50 current, then we need to bring this guess down and take this one up. So let's try 200. Advanced ticket sales for $60 each. Since there were 300 tickets total, that's 100 tickets at $80 each. 200 times 60 plus 100 times 80 result in 20,000. The question was, how many types of each ticket were sold? There were 200 $60 tickets, and 100 $80 tickets.
So starting with number 1, so here we are going to try another one. Find the perimeters of the next 2 figures in the pattern if the length of each side of the triangle is 4 centimeters. So I'm just going to redraw this here. What did it tell us?
That each side of the triangle.
Triangle is 4 centimeters. Okay, and then we have each of these figures, right?
Yes.
And it's asking us, find the perimeter of the next two figures in the pattern if the length of each side of the triangle is 4 centimeters. We could just sit there and plug them in, right? Could we also make a table,
Yes.
just so that we can see it? Because if they ask us for the next two figures, or the 10th figure, it would be easier if we had tables. We'll go do it. So figure 1, perimeter. Well, there's something that you have to know. What is perimeter?
You add all the sides.
It's the distance around it, just like the other day we had to find trim, and that was the perimeter of the room, and we had to add up all the sides of the room or all the walls. The same with the triangle. To find the perimeter, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is
12.
12. Okay.